Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Umkhokha on Monday, Khulekani sternly warns Nomkhosi regarding her dangerous ambition equating to blasphemy. The Mthembus want to intervene to help Mazungu. Ndlovu expresses negativity about Difa and Mamzobe's marriage. On Tuesday, Mamzobe and Difa have come full circle and appreciate each other more than ever. Siphamandla is unsettled by an innocent interaction between Ndombi and one church member. Khulekani is grateful to mthembu. On Wednesday, Mamzobe struggles to get over Siphamandla cursing her. Mazungu learns that Nubonga declined Khulekani's help. Maphalala uncle comes dangerously close to doing unthinkable. On Thursday, Khulekani finally succumbs to the temptation. Bheki comes face to face with Maphalala. The Gumedes live the high life. On Friday, an ambitious wife whispers poison in her husband's ear. Maphalala drives his brother out of town. Siphamandla and Mabusi return from Mozambique with renewed energy. Thank you for watching.